It's another car chat. You are allowed to protect your peace. Just take that in for a second. Perhaps you've just come out of a situation. Perhaps you're currently in one. Protecting your peace will help you navigate the situation that you're going through right now. Don't let anyone jeopardize that. You need your peace to help regulate your emotions and help you cope with the chaos, the day-to-day, the drama, the challenges. You can be in the middle of a storm, but when you have peace, you'll get through it. Don't feel bad for putting you first and protecting your peace. You're so worth it. Remember that.